Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we are going to chop out this old tub faucet and we are going to install this new one, and we're going to get started now. this thing all cleaned up around the rim. I was ready to grab my lacquer thinner, wipe the tile down, get some glue on it, and get a tub surround up. But once again, I'm called out. So here's where I'm putting up a Mansfield. It's a 5-piece. It's got 3 panels, a left, a right, and a center back. So like this would be the center back, and these 2 side panels. I've only used one of these before. That's like this brand. So it'll completely cover all this. It'll come out. I'm going to bring my level and put a level line up to cover all the booger here. And it'll be up the tile. It does stick over the top a little bit. No harm, no foul. And I guess we're going to finish this tomorrow. I put a little piece of tissue paper right here to make sure I didn't have any leaks. So I seen for a second, and until I really jerked on that shut-off valve, I had like a little drippage. So we'll make sure that it's all dry before we button that up, that's for sure. I'm not going to film where I'm going. It's in somebody's house, and it's just I don't bring cameras in usually when someone lives there. So until tomorrow, thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, watch another video, share, leave a comment, hit the like button. Choo-choo.